Wait, I chose Planet X too. We're actually safe because Planet X
Is what? What is it? Whoa! Where am I?
Welcome, Guardians, to Planet X.
Who are you?
My name is Ace. We have a population of 1 million Guardians that live here. Come on, hop in. I'll show you around.
Whoa! Y'all got flying cars?
Since we're in another galaxy, we're far more advanced than Earth. Planet X is actually the most suitable for humans like yourself.
Well, how come everyone chooses Saturn to live on?
Because the system over there lies to you. You see, all the scientists wanted to experiment by sending humans to other planets to see if it's suitable to live on.
Oh my god, well how come Planet X is forbidden on Earth?
They're scared that if too many people come over here, we'll overtake them as a civilization.
Dude, my whole family's on Saturn. I gotta help them out.
We can't just leave. We just got here.
I don't care. It's either I'm going alone or you're coming with me.
Guardians, here's your dinner. Damn, Planet X got some shrimp bananas?
What do you mean? This is pretty big. You ready?
Yup.
Black box, what is that?
I don't know, but without it, we can't go to Saturn. Y'all looking for this?